Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Camera Auto FPS on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in here, tap on the settings icon at the top. Next, we go down to the videos section and then tap on Auto FPS. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch on Auto FPS. This will allow your camera to record brighter videos in low light conditions by automatically optimizing the frame rate in video mode. And that's it. So make your selection and then you can tap on the back key to go back to your camera. Then you can start recording the video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.